Very good afternoon, guys. It's 20th of December. We are heading towards Bhiwandi warehouse for a surprise. You're in for a surprise. Finally, Brahma is at the warehouse, and it's gonna take at least a day, I suppose, for the vehicle to reach the showroom, and then the registration formalities will proceed. Hopefully, by next week and before 31st, we'll have the possession of Brahma. So Nitin was here to unbox and check out the vehicle. He just left. Big day, big day.